I ain't gonna lie. I like some Chipotle. See what I'm saying? Y'all know where I'm at. About to do a little Chipotle Mukbang. I'm also gonna talk to you about why I think you should use honey and why I use honey, royal honey. I sound a little hoarse because Chris gave me peanut butter yesterday and I'm allergic. So this whole area has been fucked up. But first, let's get into this food. We got a bowl, black beans, chicken, lettuce, cheese, sour cream, all that good stuff. But I got cheese and queso too. Cheese and queso. Chips and queso. Wow. That might hear miscellaneous shit because people be walking in and out of the MP house. So you never know who you're gonna see or hear. But honey, I use it because sometimes when it's a first kill, now I'm putting you on lingo. A kill basically means the first time you're doing it with somebody, sexual interaction. So sometimes for a first kill, you be nervous, overthinking, you know, things of that nature, and you don't want to bait up. With the honey, you never bait up. See what I'm saying? Here come Bree making mad noise. Oh, brother.
What the hell? I thought you were on FaceTime with somebody.
You see? Stop being nosy. I'm doing Chipotle Mukbang. Talking about honey and why I use it.
Why do you use it?
Because, you know, sometimes when it's your first time doing it with somebody, you might overthink. And too fast.
Might get you a little nervous.
You know what I'm saying? And too fast you can't get there in the first place.
Right.
With the honey, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Sprung like a chicken.
That guy's a freak. Well, yeah. That's one reason why. I'm gonna tell you a story, right? So, I was on tour, and the tour stopped in Miami. So, we in Miami, this girl I've been talking to was out there too. I was like, all right, bet. I hit her up to link and shit. Now, this is a girl I've been done thought about, like, yo, I'll do this to her, do that to her. You know what I'm saying? I've been told her that too. I ain't gonna lie. If you gonna tell a girl what you gonna do to her, you gotta do that to her. So boom. It come time for me to link her. I've been drinking, she been drinking, she pulled to the telly. Before she get there, I pop a whole honey pack. To the mouth shop, boom. Pop the whole honey pack. And then when I pop the whole honey pack, I'm like, all right, bet. Waiting for her, she pulls up. We drinking some more, chopping it up, bumping music, and they got to it. When I tell you, I was in there doing backflips, front flips. Like, I did her so crazy. Like, I made her do stuff that she never even did before. And then, on top of that, nigga, once I did that, it's like, y'all show my body. Can't leave me alone. See what I'm saying? And like, you probably was doing it for like 3 hours. And not 3 hours straight, but 3 hours on and off. You know what I'm saying? Talking, trying different shit, making a movie. So, that was a good story. Broke that with her. I won't get too explicit because she watched my videos and I don't want her to feel, you know, embarrassed. But when you watch this, text me because we gotta run that back. You see what I'm saying? It's another story. I only use honey by like a few times. It ain't been that much times. Like it's very moderate. Like I use half, a quarter. I only use a full one if like I feel super leaky. Huh? Mine did, yeah. Gio didn't order. But I am son. I feel like if you're anywhere between the ages of 18 to whatever, if you want to try it, I'm not telling you to. I only make these. Damn. I only make these videos so that y'all can see what I done did and what I've been through. And if y'all want to go through the same shit, y'all can. Y'all like good stories and bad stories, you know? Mr. Chipotle, smack him. But yo, like, here's the thing. Some people might say, oh, it don't work. Oh, what's the point? Your dick gonna fall off, or you won't be able to get up in the future. Brother, if you wasn't gonna get up in the future, this is not gonna make it either more or less. You know what I'm saying? All I know is I can get up with it or without it. Right. Nothing's changing with me. I still do everything the same. With the honey, without the honey, I can still get busy. Just that with the honey is a little extra boost. You know what I'm saying? So, when people comment on my videos, and they're saying like, oh, y'all need not to do that, you're too young. Shut up. Beat it. Because we don't give a fuck. Me and my honey badgers get busy, you see what I'm saying? That's my name for y'all. All my niggas who use honey, you're a honey badger. Oh God. On Jesus sandals. Oh shit. But yeah. Alright, ladies, if your man is lacking, get that brother some honey. Spice it up a little bit. I don't know if honey works for girls. I don't think so. It might. Nah. Probably not. What was I talking about with honey? Honey's just magnificent. I'm probably the first person that some of y'all have seen talk about honey, but I'm an advocate, you know what I'm saying? I'm not sponsored. They don't sponsor me. I get all my honey. I pay full price for my honey. You know? You can get honey from sex stores, probably sex stores and where else? Definitely sex stores and like gas stations, corner stores, bodegas, shit like that. It depends where you're at. Or you look online and just find some. But online is kind of tricky. You know what I'm saying? Make sure it's made in the Middle East. That's what makes the best honey. Is there hair in my food? Is it my hair? Bro, what's up, bro? That just turned me off a little bit. But we always some food around here. That's what I'm saying. I'm going back and forth. Bowl to chips. And the chips, the drink, I'll be parched.
If I gave you this and I said, match it, the paint on the wall color,
To that,
which side would you think that I'm asking you to
the
match?
darker side. Cause it's not pure white. It's like you know what I'm saying? That's on the wall?
Yeah, what side? This side or this side?
I'm sorry.
Good man. All right. It's fire, right? It's a good patch.
Yeah, good ass patch.
Yeah, we should really just. Like, we don't have to go there and get the sample and come back.
I have to.
You think I can hit the honor in the head?
Uh-huh. Try it.
I'll be like messy. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
That was kind of fire.
It's close.
I'm gonna leave this with you.
You ready with me? Oh, I gotta go do it?
Oh, Gio's gonna go.
Oh. What you give to Gio? I don't.
Package. I like package.
Yeah. AP construction. Like, comment, subscribe.
Each piece, it depending on me to feed 'em. I gotta go, leave 'em, leader, leaning. You gotta know how to treat it.